Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change power mode in Windows 11. If you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Here you need to move your cursor to the left panel and you need to open system settings. After that we need to scroll down and select here power and battery options, sleep, battery usage and battery saver. We need to click on this arrow. And here on power settings you have power mode. It will let you to optimize your device based on power use and performance. On default it is set to balanced. But of course we can change it by clicking on this one list, and then we can select one from 3 available options. First one is best power efficiency, the second one is balanced, and the last one is best performance. If you are playing the games, I recommend you to select here best performance, because it may let you to increase your FPS in games. Okay, so in this way you can easily change power mode in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.